and magnetism to make a motor. Okay, so that's what. How can we make the experiment that says that electricity and magnetism are kind of the same thing? So we have a powerful battery, courtesy of the stem. We put a negative, and we are going for positive here, and we start the motor. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, so how it is work? Okay, so you already know that batteries electricity has negative and positive, yeah. It's, and the flow of current goes from negative to positive. Okay, this when it goes right here comes positive, and positive. What happens with magnets when they are the same charge? They repel each other. Okay, they repel. So this one is the same as this one, and it repels. But in the other side of the coil is the other charge, the negative. Okay, so positive and positive. What happens with this one? It repels it. Okay, so it pushes over here. But now this has a negative, and what happens with different charges? They attract each other. So this one is going to be attracted by the magnet. But when it turns, the electricity goes the other way, because it's a circle. And now this changed from positive to negative. The one that's negative changed to positive.